It is Saturday today, and every neighbor on my block firing up their gas mowers right now. So it felt like a perfect day to talk about my cordless DeWALT trimmer. Yeah, this is one of the most popular DeWALT string trimmer, battery powered. Honestly, I think this is the best model on the market for today. It's better to say best for the money, because I bought mine for $149, as I remember. And let me show you why I think this is one of the best model on the market. Let's start with the form factor. Of course, folding design. It will help you to save some space. I like how it works. It's pretty robust. Then this bump fit head. No disassembly needed to reload the string. And of course, power. This thing is surprisingly strong for only 20 volts. I have no question about power. It is enough. We have two modes, low and high. I am always on high. And one of the main reasons why I am choosing exactly this model. It is the durability. I've been running exactly this trimmer for almost 4 years. Never cleaned it. And there is no service done for this trimmer. Never. Nothing at all. I was working even with wet grass. After the rain and etc. No problem at all. And after all these years, without any service, we can still have a lot of power.